Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, if you are unsure if your device or current iOS version can be jailbroken or not, you can use this new CanYouJB. It is a simple jailbreak finder and it will help you determine if your iOS device or its version can be jailbroken or not. It is very straightforward and user friendly. All devices are supported. You can install it using TrollStore or AltStore. Both are working. I have tested it before making this video. CanYouJB is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. Now as you can see, I am on device and I have already installed TrollStore. To install CanYouJB, you can simply open Safari and head to the official GitHub page for CanYouJB or JB. Then scroll down to releases, simply open it. Under assets, get the IPA to your device. Download, then simply open TrollStore, hit this plus button, install IPA, select the IPA, install. Now go back home and you will see it on your home screen. Simply open it and simply hit this search a jailbreak for me. So it will start searching and then it will show all the compatible tools. Yes, dopamine is also compatible. It should be added in the next release of CanYouJB. From there you can simply hit it and it will take you to the official GitHub page or official website for the particular tool which is compatible for your device. Also, if you hit this gear icon, you can see the credits. Alright, we are on an iOS 15 device. Now if I open it, simply search for it and it will bring up all the compatible jailbreak tools. Once again, yes, dopamine is also compatible, but for this release for CanYouJB, it is not showing up, but it will be fixed in the future release. Now as I said earlier that yes, you can install it using AltStore as well. So I have this iOS 18 device and you can see I have already CanYouJB using AltStore. Now if I open it, search for a jailbreak, it is on iOS 18.0.1 and it is unsupported. So if it is unsupported, it will show up like this. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.